Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad, to take a look at your next 5 to 6 days. Now, the big story is going to be down in the Atlantic Basin. We're going to be focusing on that a little bit more today. Not much in the way of temperatures. It's hot across the area. We're working our way now into August, and I'll show you that here in just a second. But those of you along the southeast coast and even the northern Gulf of Mexico, you're going to have to keep a weather eye on as we head on into your upcoming week. But first, let's talk about temperatures. Once again, not much really to talk about. A lot of heat there in the central U.S. Where you see the yellows, that's reflecting some clouds and some rain around the area. Now, remember, we're working our way on into August, the dog days of summer, if you will, and you can see a lot of heat there in the Central Plains, Rockies, pretty much almost everyone, the 2/3 western U.S., with of course, the southeast as well. But this is very typical, very hot and humid weather for you there. This is on Friday. You see another system working its way into the Great Lakes, dropping your temperatures down just a little bit. But let's really focus on precipitation for the last couple of days of July and on into the first couple of days of August. This is on your Tuesday. We're drying out a little bit there in the southeast, and that's certainly some good news. But we still have some showers along the Appalachian chain and up into the Great Lakes and in the northern Rockies. Here we go on into your Wednesday, a little system working its way through the Ohio Valley, pretty much drying out for the most part. Pretty wet though, up into the northeast. By Thursday, we have a system working its way into the Great Lakes. Could see some severe weather there, but again, most of us now drying out. By Friday, we are looking at another system working its way into the Great Lakes Midwest area. Could see another band of showers there. But I'm going to expand this out a little bit. See this little cluster of showers now? This is near the Bahamas, and this is where we're going to be keeping an eye on. Now let's take a look at your Sunday precipitation map. We do see a cluster of showers and thunderstorms. Some of the models are in fact developing this system. It's going to be between two areas of dust. There's a weakness there, and right now not much going on, but we're really going to have to keep an eye on as it works its way more in a westerly direction. Originally we thought maybe it was going to swing up like that. Now it's working its way more into this area. Water is very, very warm. We have a nice system there in the Pacific, but that's really not going to bother anybody. But now let's look at next Tuesday. The system pushes its way across the state of Florida. We work our way into the northern Gulf of Mexico. Water is extremely warm there. We could see a quick flare-up, something again we have to keep an eye on for those of you in the southeast. But that's a look at the tropics. So over the next couple of days, not too bad, but keep an eye on the forecast, and I'll keep you updated for you as well as we work our way closer to the first weekend of August. I'm George, the Weather Dad.